What's up, guys? This is Vikash, and you are watching A to Z Guru. And today we will continue jQuery tutorial of part 13. So, in this tutorial, I will explain you jQuery stop method. So, what is the work of this jQuery stop method? So, before I start, so if you'll see today, I'm using website. By website, I will explain everything, and practical session I show in program. So basically, already I explained about this website. I'll give video link from where you can watch how you can take benefit from this website. So come to the point. What is jQuery stop method? So by using jQuery stop method, we can stop the animation before it finish. Okay. So as you are seeing here, I written theory. So like there is syntax selector dot stop. So there will two parameter stop all go to end. So like parameter is not necessary to pass. If you will not pass default, it will give means it will kill that animation suddenly, and there will two parameter, so true and false, that we will see in practical session. So come to the practical session. See, this program I made for stop method. So I'll show you output. This is the output of stop method. Whenever I'm going to click, it's scrolling, and suppose if one we wanna stop before complete. So see, I click this button. By clicking this button, it's stop. Okay, it going to stop. So now we will see what is happening in program. So see the program. Here, as you are seeing, we took two div. Okay, here we are designing that div, like padding. I gave 5 pixel, font size 18 pixel, and text align center, background color, plus and all. You know already CSS, so that will not confuse. Means this section will not confuse. Okay, and see, this is the jQuery code. So what is happening when I am clicking this ID? It's executing this section. Okay. So what is this section? What is the work of this section? Basically, in this section, panel ID going slide down. Okay. So see here ID I took panel, so this is going slide down as you seen in output. Okay. See. So there is stop button. So in a stop, when I will click a stop button, so it will stop that animation. Since I'm nothing passing, means parameter is empty, so default suddenly it will stop that animation. So this is the stop method without parameter. So I'll show you example with parameter. So see guys, this is the example of with parameter. So first I will show you what will be the output come. So see, here I took 4 button. Okay, if you are starting the animation, if we will click stop, so if you are not passing any parameter, output will come like that. Okay, means one animation will stop, another will occur. Okay, but if you wanna stop all animation, then you need to click stop all. Okay, if you want to stop that animation after finish, so you have to click this button. See, so come to the programming section, how it's working. We'll see the flow. See, here we took 4 button. Okay, and in 4 button IDs are different, and I took one div. So if I am clicking this button start, so what is happening? This is executing this section. Okay, so I used animate method already, I explained. If you don't know, just see that video. So in animate I'm taking 2 parameter, that it's going left, and 100 pixel it will go left, and that font size will increase. Okay, and what will do stop method, since I am passing nothing, so suddenly it will stop, as I told. See, second, stop all. Stop all, that ID is stop 2. Okay, so whenever you'll click that button, so in a stop I am passing true. So what it will do, it will suddenly stop that particular animation, means all animation. Okay, so if you will not pass anything, then all animation will not stop. One animation will stop and other will occur. But if you are passing through, then it will stop suddenly all animation. Okay, if you are passing both parameter true, then suddenly it will finish that animation till finish, till end. Suddenly it will stop that animation, but it will go to the finish point. Like see the example. See, okay. So this is all about stop method. I hope guys you're clear with stop method. So this is about website, and regarding program, actually previously I was not giving a program link. So from here you will get that program. Whatever I explain you here, I covered here. So you will get this program in download section, and whenever you will want to read, just come to this website and you can read. And here I I'll give that video. Thanks guys.